In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote another message in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Quoting messages can be really helpful to ensure your team understands the context of your responses. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to find the original message that you want to reference. Go ahead and look through your Slack channels until you spot that specific message. Once you've found it, highlight the text that you'd like to quote. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor over the text. When you have the text highlighted, you need to copy it to your clipboard. If you're using a Windows computer, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and C at the same time. If you're on a Mac, just hit Command and C. Now that you've copied the text, you're ready for the next step. Next, click into the text box where you normally write your messages. You will notice a formatting toolbar just below the text field. Look for the block quote icon. It usually looks like a quotation mark. Go ahead and click that icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's another way to enable the block quote format. On a Windows computer, perform the shortcut by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and 9 all at once. For those using a Mac, it's Command, Shift, and 9. This will format your text as a block quote, setting it apart from the rest of your message. Once you've activated the block quote format, it's time to paste the text you copied earlier. Simply right-click in the text box where the block quote is and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V for Windows users or Command and V for Mac users. When you paste the text, you'll notice a vertical indent line appearing to the left of the quoted text. This visual cue helps everyone reading your message identify it as a quote, making it clear that you're referring back to something someone else said. Now that your quote is nicely formatted, it's time to add your reply. Press Enter to move past the quote block, and it's a good idea to hit a blank line before typing your response. This little extra space significantly improves readability and makes your message look cleaner. Now, you can type out your response or any comments you want to include in reaction to the quoted message. Make sure your reply provides clarity or adds value to the conversation, so your colleagues understand your perspective better. And that's it. Quoting another message in Slack is a simple process that can greatly enhance your communication with your team. By keeping things clear and organized, you ensure that everyone stays on the same page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tips like these in the future.